In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to bulk remove featured images from posts in WordPress. Featured images can contribute to the overall size of your web pages, affecting loading times. If you're focusing on optimizing your site's performance, especially in terms of speed, removing unnecessary featured images can help reduce the size of your pages and improve loading times. You can see that this is my WordPress website, and I want to remove featured images from here. To achieve this functionality, let's log into the WordPress admin dashboard of the site. Hover over Appearance and click on the Theme File Editor. Now go to Theme Functions, and we're going to achieve this functionality using code. Before entering the code, make sure you have a backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can restore it later. Now let's add the code here. You can get it from the description below. Once added, click on Update File. And now let's move back and check the changes. On refreshing the page, you can see the featured images have been removed successfully. Now, before leaving, you can also learn how to make featured images as required in WordPress. I've linked the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. And this is how easy it is to bulk remove featured images from posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.